So friends, you can see now all the sheep are enjoying the food. The fresh kutti. This is a special Madagal sheep over here. And this is my horned Australian dropper. And now I'll show you my special South African dropper. You can see him. He's almost 150 kgs. Dropper, hi. So all are enjoying the food. And this is a live and exclusive video from Ronnie Goat Farm and Ronnie Sheep Farm. The live and exclusive videos. Like and follow our channel, friends. So friends, if you like our videos, like, follow and support channel, friends. Thank you very much.